Verb forms. What is verb forms? Let's ask ourselves first, what is verb? We know verb is a part of speech. It refers to do something like to sing, to write, to run. Let's put these verbs in sentences. I love to sing. My friend is a singer. She is singing a beautiful song right now. Every year, she sings in the Spring Festival. Last year, she had sung the song Ore Bhai Phagun Legeche Bone Bone. I write letters to my friends. My friend writes mystery novels for kids. Last year, he wrote Adventures of the Three Thompsons. He has also written a book on how to write for kids. He runs for 5 kilometers every day. He took part in the marathon and ran for 25 kilometers. In these sentences, we have used 6 types of verb forms. Unlike other part of speech, verb has 2 main characteristics because of which the same verb is different in different situations. The main characteristics of the verb are subject of the sentence and time of speech. The 3 other characteristics are voice, number and mood. Let's know about 6 types of verb forms first. 2 infinitives, bare infinitives or base form, third person singular, simple present tense, present participle, simple past and past participle. When we use the main verb or the base form of the verb after 2, this form is called 2 infinitives. When we use main verb after 2, it never changes its form. Base form is the main verb. Write, sing, run. When the subject in a sentence is third person singular number, we add an s after the main verb. When we are talking about progressive present or progressive past, we use or add ing after the main verb, that is singing, maybe singing or running, writing, that is present participle. Simple past form of the verb is wrote, ran, regular and irregular past form of the verb. And past participle is sung, written in these sentences, and we used past participle after has, have or had or have been, has been, had been. And in these sentences, the verb has changed its form. We got to know about 6 types of verb till now. That is 2 infinitives, bare infinitive, third person singular, present participle, simple past and past participle. There is another type of verb that is called auxiliary verb or helping verb. A helping verb is used with the main verb to help express the main verb's tense, mood or voice. The main helping verbs are to be, to have and to do. They appear in the following forms. To be is am, is, are, was, were, been, will be. And to have is has, have, had, having, will have. And to do is does, do, did, will do. So if we look at some examples, she had taken the bait. They were lying from day 1. Did it work? Do think again. The fox was seen by the farmer. But wait, what is voice? When the subject of a sentence performs the verb's action, we say that the sentence is in the active voice. And a sentence in the passive voice, on the other hand, is when the subject is acted on by the verb. If we see these sentences, monkeys adore bananas. Here, monkey is the subject and the object was banana. In the second sentence, we are saying bananas are adored by monkeys. That means in this sentence, bananas are the subject which is acted upon. So let's see some examples. Peter was singing for an hour. Peter is singing in the shower. Peter will be singing tomorrow evening. So you may have noticed that for continuous tense, we need helping verbs. Expressing voice. The chicken was eaten by Bonjour. The Wi-Fi will be disconnected after 6 o'clock. Did she lose? Don't breathe out until I say. And there is another type of verb, that is linking verb. But linking verbs are not action verbs. Linking verbs do not express actions. The verbs to be, to become, and to seem are always linking verbs. A linking verb tells us what the subject is, not what the subject is doing. Like, I am a teacher, I am a student, he is a doctor. In this sentence, he felt sick when he felt the heat. He felt sick is actually saying he was sick. So linking verbs are not actions. There can be a noun or adjective after linking verb. So now we know that there are 8 forms of verb. 2 infinitives, bare infinitive, base form or base form, third person singular, present participle, simple past, past participle, helping verb and linking verb. But linking verb is not action verb. Now write down 2 sentences for each verb forms.